You stare at that one stubborn dark spot in the bathroom mirror every single morning. It feels like a permanent resident on your cheek, no matter how many creams you throw at it. Most of us have a graveyard of skincare products that didn't quite live up to the hype. But the newest brightening serum from Purito is creating a lot of noise for some very specific reasons. It is designed as a triple threat formula. It combines three of the most researched ingredients in the world of dermatology. First, you have a 10% concentration of niacinamide. This is a legendary ingredient for a reason. It acts as a peacemaker for your skin. It reduces redness and helps your skin barrier stay strong against the elements. Then there is the 6% Tranexamic Acid. This is the ingredient that everyone with sun damage or melasma is looking for. It specifically targets the pathways that lead to discoloration. It is like a heat-seeking missile for uneven skin tone. Finally, they included a touch of retinol. This is a more potent and faster-acting version of the traditional retinol most people know. It helps with those fine lines and the overall texture of your face. By putting these three together, the brand is trying to give you a complete overhaul in a single step. You won't have to layer 5 different products and hope they don't react badly with each other. To keep things balanced, they added soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica and ceramides. These act as a safety net. They ensure that while the active ingredients are working hard, your skin isn't getting stripped or irritated. The consistency is very user-friendly too. It is a light, watery liquid that absorbs almost instantly. There is no greasy residue left behind. You can apply your moisturizer and sunscreen right over it without any peeling or clumping. Now, you should expect a little bit of a transition period. Some people experience what we call a purge. This is when the retinol speeds up cell turnover and brings underlying clogs to the surface. It might look like a few small breakouts at first, but it is actually a sign of progress. Don't give up on it in the first week. Skincare requires a lot of patience and a steady hand. Start by using it every other night to see how your skin reacts. Once you are comfortable, you can move to nightly use. This isn't a scam or a bottle of expensive water. It is a legit, high-performance serum that uses ingredients with real clinical backing. If you stay consistent, you will likely see a much brighter and smoother complexion after a few weeks. It simplifies your routine and saves you the headache of buying multiple separate serums. Just make sure you are purchasing from a verified source to get the authentic formula. It is a solid investment for anyone who wants to take their skin health seriously without overcomplicating their life. If you have been struggling with dullness or texture, this targeted approach might be exactly what your regimen has been missing. Stick with it. Protect your skin during the day with sunblock and let the science do the heavy lifting for you.